Hello everyone, welcome back to Shilpa's Home 360, and in today's video I'm going to show you with you all like how to organize jewelry and how I'm storing my jewelry. So here I've taken this small cardboard box where I've added this small napkin here. It's a old napkin which says welcome friends. I've also added a small detail of this button here. That's an old cushion button. I always try to save things, and just to hide my gluing things I've attached those turquoise design here, and inside I've attached this glittery kind of red color design here, so it feels like a jewelry box. As you all know, jewelry boxes are very expensive, so sometimes I try to do my own. As you all know, I've already did a cookie box which I turned into a bangle box. That's part one of my how to organize jewelry. And as you see here, I've always tried to save jewelry in the Ziploc bag so that it won't turn color over the years, or it won't change its color. So that's why that's the one of the secret. Even if I say like 18 years old or 17 years old, this is the only reason my jewelry is not turning different colors or anything. I always try to do this way. So this is a unique way of saving your jewelry, and you don't even have to do all this decoration and all, but just to give that feeling like a jewelry box design kind of thing I've attached. Of course, I'm not perfect of making this kind of things, but I'm trying my best, and also like to share things with you. Since I'm not using this old napkin, I'm using this in this way, and see here I've placed this on my dresser. Look at how beautifully it's looking, and that satisfaction will be there if you are doing your own jewelry boxes and all that. So that's why I'm so proud of it, even though I'm not like perfect in this, but I'm very proud of this. And moving on to the second one, this is one of my favorites. This one I got it from Shilpa Ramam, and guess what, this one is only around 300 rupees. Here I always put it on my dresser on the right side of it, especially for the long kind of earrings. I cannot bend these kinds, and I always want to place it in a very safe things. And I've also placed a small box here, and this has a lock and everything. The design, the workmanship is excellent, and the reason why I save it here is like a regular wear that I wear. I'll always keep it in there, so it won't look cluttered, and it won't go bad. So that's the reason I've always liked to do these kind of things. And you can also notice here the small kind of earrings, my second stud earrings and all. I'll put it here, and I keep changing this. It's not like I always put it the same way. I'll keep changing with different styles. So this is the overall look of it. As you see, the workmanship is excellent, and for 300 to 400 rupees, me getting this wooden box is like awesome price. This one I got it from Shilpa Ramam, and I'm sure everybody saw this kind of jewelry boxes before, and it's been with me for almost like 7 to 8 years. Nothing happened, and look at the design and all that. And even my dresser is in the same color of wood, so it matched perfectly on my dresser. So moving on to the third one. This one my aunt gave it to me. I don't know where she got it, but this is one of my favorites. Especially I used to store watches in there, like one at a time, but later I bought a watch, a separate box, so that's why I started storing these bangles. As you all seen these bangles in several videos of mine, but just to not lose its color, so I always try to put them in these pouches here. So these are the bangles, and I've already shared all these bangles with you all, but look at how nicely. So I know when I'm going to a party or something, I easily know where I'm storing these, and I put these inside my dresser, so it won't be cluttered again, like I mentioned before. So these are the two kinds of wooden boxes that I have. I love these. And moving on to the fourth one, I didn't remember where I got. Maybe my kids got it for some of these things. Like these kind of boxes I always store. Look at this cotton thing. I recently got this Lakshmi Amavari necklace. I love this, and this one looks like a Gutta Pusalu design and all that. I want to store it in a very safe place, and I found this box. Okay, I can stack all these boxes inside my dresser, and look at this cotton thing inside. Even if you can put one more layer there, and you can put more kind of necklaces and everything. It's a simple box. Even you can attach a small bead on top top of it, so it looks like a very expensive jewelry box kind of thing. So these kind of things, always try to save this, and look at how beautifully it's there, and it's like a peace of mind, right? You can store this kind of jewelry in here. Last but not the least, this one, it's like a see-through pencil or pens storage, but I'm storing my lipsticks and all my makeup things in here, like eyebrow pencils and all that. Easy to store, and you can see what you're having and all that. So look at that's all I have, like all these kind of lipsticks and eyebrow pencils. I store it in here, so when you're in a hurry or when you're getting ready, you know exactly where they are, and easy to take it out and easy to put it back in. I always place it next to my dresser, so that it's very easy for me to see. It got blended very nicely here, this pencil stand, and then also this jewelry box here. And also I've made another video where you can keep changing the design on your dresser each time by changing it into different boxes, different kinds of things. And that's all for me today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.